Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix Snapchat not loading snap. So sometime if you get the snap from your friend and it will not load, maybe this is the issue of your internet. Maybe your internet is not so strong. Make sure you have a strong internet connection. But if you have strong internet connection and still snaps are not loading, first of all go to the Play Store and update your Snapchat. Make sure your Snapchat is up to date, and if it's not, update it from here. Moreover, go to the settings and go to the apps and the notification, and after that you have to search the Snapchat from here, and after that go to the storage and the cache, and from here you have to click on the clear storage. Once you will click on the clear storage, after that again open the Snapchat and try to load your snaps again. It will be load. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.